This is called dynamics. Dynamics. Now, if you are a music person, you've been playing piano, some other instruments, anything like that. You've been in choir, something like that. This is dynamics. So this is P, which means to sing softly, to play softly, something like that. And this is forte. It means to sing loud or play loud. Okay? So I'm going to show you on the back end. Forte, to play loud and strong. Okay? And piano, play softly or sing softly. Okay? Now, one thing you want to do that I always feel is very effective when you are a singer, the goal is not to sing one level of voicing. One level where it doesn't change. Oh, Gemini said, or quiet. Yes, it's soft. Okay, so when you are singing or playing the instrument, what you want to do is you want to have some dynamics every single time. Okay, this one is called medium loud. Mezzo forte, medium loud. So if we're medium loud, it sounds like this. I'm going to sing this in this medium loud range, okay? I'm going to do just a little bit of it, okay? Ready? I'm going to sing Amazing Grace. Here we go. Medium loud. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Okay. Medium loud. It's the same all the way through. Okay, now if we want to really try to capture the people a little bit more, we want to give them some dynamics, something to build up to, okay? So let's try that again, but this time utilizing dynamics. How loud or soft you may sing. Here we go. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Okay, did y'all get that? Did you understand the difference with the dynamics?